Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add a logo to your videos using DaVinci Resolve. So this is really useful if you want to watermark your content, or maybe you just want to add the logo of your YouTube channel, for example, to your video to add some personality. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to import the image file into your media pool. And I'm going to do so very quickly now. I'm going to start with something simple and just use the default DaVinci Resolve logo. So it's also really useful, for example, if you have a transparent picture or a PNG, because it makes it a lot easier. So the moment you drag and drop this into your timeline like so, as you can see, the logo neatly overlays the video. If you want to change the properties of the logo as well, you can start by using the transform tools, and very easily you can just click on this button here in the monitor and quickly resize and drag it around to where you see fit. You can also fine tune these values by manually inputting them here in the transform area in your inspector, which you can find at the top right of your screen underneath the inspector panel. So as you can see, I can customize the location and duration just by extending the position of the file or the logo in our timeline.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. You see, my team and I publish easy to use step-by-step editing tutorials to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding this video useful and would like to learn more, I would really appreciate if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button to show some support, give this video a like, and of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release videos coming out every single day. Now, let's continue.
So now if we watch the whole thing forward, I'm just going to speed it up a bit. As you can see, it overlays across the entire video. So it's really that quick and that easy. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.